Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers lived a beautiful princess. She wasn't your average princess. Oh no, Princess Amara was a princess of the stars. Her skin shimmered with the glow of 1,000 suns, and her hair was a cascading waterfall of moonlight. Every night when the sun dipped below the horizon, her starry skin would glow even brighter, illuminating the entire kingdom in a soft, ethereal light. Amara loved her people and they loved her back. But there was one problem. No one in the kingdom knew where the stars came from. Every night they would appear on Amara's skin, but come morning, they would vanish without a trace. And as the years passed, the people began to forget what the stars looked like. One day, an idea struck Amara. Maybe she could find the source of the stars if she left the kingdom. So with a heavy heart and a knapsack full of supplies, she set off into the unknown. She walked for days, her starry skin guiding her towards the east where the sun rises. Finally, she came across a dense forest, its trees so tall they scratched the clouds. Just as Amara was about to enter the woods, a deep voice boomed, "Halt, princess! Who are you and what brings you here?" Startled, Amara turned to see a majestic stag blocking her path. Its fur was the color of moss and its antlers a magnificent crown. "I am Princess Amara," she said, her voice echoing through the silent trees, "and I'm looking for the source of the stars." The forest prince stared at her for a moment, his eyes filled with understanding. "The stars, you say? Then you must speak with my father, the great Oak King. He is the keeper of the ancient wisdom and perhaps he can help you." Amara's heart soared with hope. "Thank you, Forest Prince. Would you be my guide?" The stag nodded, and together they ventured into the forest. As they walked, Amara noticed something peculiar. The deeper she went into the woods, the darker it became, even though it was daytime. The air grew heavy, making it hard to breathe. Just when she thought she couldn't take another step, the forest prince stopped. "Here we are," he said, gesturing with his antler towards a giant oak tree. Its branches were gnarled and twisted, and its leaves, a sickly yellow. As Amara approached the tree, she felt a surge of energy, the same energy that flowed through her veins whenever the stars shone. Could this be the source of her powers? Suddenly, the tree began to shake, and from its hollow trunk emerged a figure so ancient it seemed like a part of the tree itself. His bark-like skin and moss-covered staff gave him an otherworldly vibe. "Great Oak King," Amara said, kneeling before him. "I am Princess Amara of the Starlight Kingdom, and I come to you seeking the source of the stars." The old king looked at her with knowing eyes. "Ah, yes, the stars. A part of you, a part of me, a part of all living things. They are the very essence of life, the energy that flows through all living beings, connecting us all." He paused, his gaze drifting into the distance. "But you are the first in many years to seek them, to remember them. It seems the people have forgotten the stars, and so have I. Is there a way to bring them back?" Amara asked, her voice trembling with hope. The old king closed his eyes, as if listening to a sound only he could hear. "Yes, there is a way, but it will require a sacrifice, something precious given freely." Amara didn't hesitate. "I'll do whatever it takes. Tell me what to do." The king opened his eyes and a smile touched his lips. You are truly the princess of the stars. Your heart is pure and your spirit strong. I knew you would understand. He explained that she needed to climb the tallest mountain in the kingdom and release the trapped sunlight there. With the king's help, Amara could channel the energy of the stars back into the world. And that's exactly what she did. As she climbed the mountain, she could feel the power of the stars coursing through her veins. When she finally reached the peak and released the sunlight, a blinding flash filled the sky. When it faded, there in the heavens were the stars, twinkling more brilliantly than ever before. News of the stars spread like wildfire, and soon the entire kingdom was gazing up in wonder. Life returned to their eyes, laughter to their lips, and hope to their hearts. From that day on, Amara was known not just as the princess of the stars, but as the star weaver, the one who brought the stars back to the sky and the light back into people's lives.